All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this wonderful strategy that I have been using to milk a lot of profits of the boom and crash market. All right, so before I go in, I want to say a big thank you to every one of you who reached out to wish me well when I was really down. All right, I'm still recuperating, but I am actually very strong right now. I'm very strong, and I'm still looking out, though I'm still going for medical tests to just make sure that I'm healthy to serve you guys better. You know, health is wealth, so you have to always look out for yourselves too. Make sure you don't just make money off the market and just spend it on enjoyment alone, guys. You just have to always look out for your health. So a big shout out to everybody who reached out, all of you guys, all of you subscribers who texted me, people from my VIP channel, people from my free channel, all of you who reached out to me, and the ones who couldn't reach out but at least said a word of prayer for me. I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you guys. I feel really loved. And I'm really grateful, guys. Once again, happy new year to all of you guys. Make sure that you are in the winning circle. Make sure you join our free Telegram channel if you are not there yet. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you are with us, guys. Make sure you are with us, because we're winning all day, every single day, and we are not stopping till thy kingdom come. All right, guys, so quickly I'll show you guys how it works. You can see clearly that the market just keeps doing its thing, but we keep milking, guys. You can see how many candlesticks that we have been able to take off the market. All right, so I'm just going to show you guys how the strategy works. It's very easy. It's for scalping. Okay, you scalp the market with this powerful strategy and you make a lot of profits, guys. You make a lot of profit. As you can see my screen, you will understand that this strategy really works. Okay, somebody who would have taken a trade from this level right here, anybody who had entered a sell from this level right here would have taken all of these candlesticks off the market, You can see that it's just one little spike that happened, and it continued counting a lot of candlesticks down. So you would have made a lot of profit off the market if you understand, or if you understood how this strategy works. You can see another example. Anybody who has this powerful strategy could make a lot of money. Just all you need to do is just sit down and work all day, guys. If you take trades up to 5 times, 6 times a day, trust me, you can flip any amount to any amount, guys. You just have to sit down and work. All right, you just have to sit down and work, and of course you need to understand how the strategy works, and I'm really going to explain it in details in this video. So make sure you sit down and watch this video to the end, guys. Make sure you sit down and watch this video to the end. Okay, also do well to like this video if you haven't engaged in my content. Make sure you do. Also drop any challenges, anything at all, on any observation, any challenges you want me to address. You can always put a comment on the comment section, and I'll address you guys, and I'll be able to probably just know how to serve you guys better, or how to give you better understanding of the market. Okay, of course this knowledge I'm sending out here is totally free of charge. That's why I always urge you guys to just ensure to like and share the video, so that I will also feel appreciated and valued. Okay, I also feel appreciated and valued. You can see all of these candlesticks, all of this, it just keeps going, guys. You just have to understand how to do it. All right, so in this video I'm going to share with you guys all the information. How many candlesticks can you count here? First of all, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 a whole lot of candlesticks, and if you keep back testing, you see more. You can see more chances of making all of that long picks from the market. You can see all of this, guys. Imagine somebody entering from here, guys. Imagine somebody entering from here. I mean, look at all of that without any obstacle, guys. You can catch all of these candlesticks without any obstacle, guys. Without any obstacle. Okay, so all you need to do is just stay focused and make sure you follow up the instruction I'll be sharing on this video, so you can understand how this strategy fully works. And like I said, it works for scalping of the boom and crash market. This market right here is the boom 1000. I'm using it to show you guys how this works. I'm using it to just create this video to show you guys how the strategy works, how effective this strategy is. All right, so first of all, I'll just quickly show you guys the setup so that okay, let me just quickly explain how it works. Right, let me just explain how it works before I get to show you guys the setup. All right, so you simply just allow the market to come, allow the market to come to your sold, your oversold region here. All right, this is region where people call the oversold region. All right, you can decide to name it anything you like, but you should have it at the back of your mind that whenever this black line comes to this region, you should be looking out for selling opportunities. All right, you should be looking out for selling opportunities, and you'll be on a very safe side if the market is trending downwards on a higher time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, and I mean the higher time frames basically. Okay, so when you are sure of the market, of the trend of the market, and you see clearly that the market is in a downtrend, all right, that's when you come back to the 1 minute time frame and you look out for the conditions here. All right, what you want to do is wait for this black line to come into this overbought region. I mean, once you come into this overbought region and then you sell. All right, when you sell from this region, all right, it just keeps going down. You can see how many candlesticks that goes down with it. All right, but then again, that is not enough. All right, what I usually do is we have the moving average on the main chart here. So whenever this black line comes to the overbought region here, all right, I usually just allow it to cross the moving average here. All right, so you have to allow price to cross this line. All right, you see the candlesticks had to cross this moving average line, and then you can place a sell around this region, but always allow it to cross the moving average line on the main chart. Okay, and then you go for a sell. This is for the bull market anyways. This is not the same way you apply it to the crash market. I'm going to show you how you apply it to the crash market, but for this is for the bull market, be it boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, boom 15. They've added more of the boom and crash markets, right? Boom and crash assets. I mean, they've added more to the derivative platform, so you need to upgrade your app if you haven't done that yet. You need to always be at an alert. All right, so this is why you basically need to have updated strategies so that you can always catch up. All right, so here, this is another example I had shown you guys. So you see that price had come to this black line, had come to the overbought region here. Price had come to the overbought region here, and then it had crossed the black line here, the moving average line here. Right, so whenever it crosses, you always have to allow it cross. Whenever it crosses the black line on the main chart, that's the moving average line on the main chart, that's when you can confidently take a sell. And then what gives me more confidence, like I said, is when I have seen a clear downtrend on the higher time frame. Now this is for the boom market. All right, when I have clearly seen a clear downtrend on the higher time frame, like the 30 minutes, like the 1 hour, like the 4 hours, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's when I now switch to the 1 minute time frame, and you should always be on the third zoom level. All right, you should always be on the third zoom level. If you are an Android user, you pick it clearly on the third zoom level. And if you are an iOS user, you should the second zoom level is still cool. All right, so if I keep going back and if I keep backtesting, you keep seeing the same thing. Right, now another thing that you should notice is that whenever this is about to happen, you always see a spike, and when it spikes into the overbought region, which is this area here, all right, let me use this guy. All right, whenever it buys into this level, all right, whenever it spikes into that level, always allow the spike to happen, guys. Always allow the spike to happen. It's very important that you let the spike happen, because the spike is what is going to take the market into your area of value, which is the overbought region here. And then when that happens, and then you need to just allow the market to cross, like I said, allow the market to cross the the moving average on your main chart, and then you start to print your money, guys. You can see here at this level, you can see all the candlesticks that have printed on this level, guys. So imagine you had entered around this level, even with the smallest account, guys, and you pick all of these candlesticks. You know how much you'd be on. You know how much you'd be on, guys. So you just need to stay put. If you understand this strategy perfectly, you just need to stay put and make sure that you are not distracted. You just sit down. If you take up to 5 to 10 trades in a day, guys, you are made. All right, you make a lot of money, guys. You make a lot of money. All right, so I mean, if I keep backtesting, you keep seeing the same thing. It keeps happening. This shows how effective. It shows how effective this strategy is. This shows how effective this strategy is, and it just keeps going, guys. It just keeps going. All right, and it crosses the moving average here, and then you place a sell here, and then it keeps going, guys. Now remember, this strategy is basically for you to sell, scalp, and take a couple of candlesticks out of the market. All right, so you can catch up to like 10-15 candlesticks, as the case may be. It gives you chances to catch as many candlesticks as possible. Well, I would advise you just take 10, 15, 20 candlesticks and you're out of the market. That's 20 if you really want to keep risking it, right? But 10, 15, it's enough for you to make a lot of money, guys. It's enough for you to make a lot of money. All right, so this strategy is very effective. You just need to understand how it works. Like I just explained, you need to follow up my explanation, follow up the instructions I just shared, and then you'll be good. So let's quickly show you guys the setup. So on your main chart is the moving average, and what we need is the period 10 shift 1. All right, method should be linear weighted, and then apply to close, guys. You don't need any levels, so you don't need to actually do anything about the levels. And then you leave it at all time frames, and you choose a color that would be visible on your background. Like my background is white, so I choose the black color so I can see clearly. And you're done with this. You just simply click done, and you see the moving average appear on your main chart just like this. All right, the next thing you want to do is add the commodity channel index. These are very strong indicators that I've combined to make up this strategy. All right, so period 100 applied to typical price. All right, when you click that, you see a couple of options, and then you just choose typical price. And then levels, you need to use 0, 0, and just click done. And then for time frame, allow it on all time frames, guys. Allow it on all time frames. Again, you choose colors that are visible on your screen. If you're using the black background, you know you have to choose light colors. If you're using the white background, you know you have to choose the dark colors. And you just click done, and you should have the CCI on your indicator window 1. And then you need to add another indicator, which is the relative strength index, the RSI, still on the indicator window 1 this time. So what you need to do is just click the indicator window 1, the plus sign next to the indicator window 1, and then you find your RSI, and then you go by this setup. Period 12 applied to median price this time. All right, you see a lot of options. Just choose median price, and then levels here are 90, 10, 20, and 80. All right, 90, 10, 20, and 80. You're done with that. Click done. Leave it at all time frames, and the style this time around should be the same as the background of your charts. Okay, if you're using black, you choose black color. If you're using white, you choose white colors. And then when you go to the levels, guys, this is the color I'm using on the levels. You can see the color I'm using. I'm using the black color because my background is white. I'm trying to make it visible. All right, so you just click done when you're done with that, and you should have your charts. You have all the information you need on your charts. All right, I had to change the style from dotted to plain color. That's why you're seeing that these are plain. This is a plain line now, right? These are plain lines now. Okay, so you can use dotted colors if you want. You can use plain colors if you want. It depends on you. I just like my charts to be very fine, so that I'm making fine money. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to ensure that everywhere is clear, everywhere is very visible. So this is very easy. This is very easy for you to replicate. You just have to understand how it works. Now remember, I said that for you to be on the safe side, you need to see the trend of the market on the higher time frame. Now, even if you don't get to understand the trend of the market on the higher time frame, you will still definitely take money out of the market if you follow the strategy as I have just explained. All right, you will follow it as I have just explained. But for you to have higher chances, I am big on confluences, and these are one of the things that make up these things, right? For you to stand higher chances of winning, you need to always add more reasons why you think the market is going to go the way you want it to go, the way you think it's going to go, right? So having to see the trend of the market is the plus. All right, it's a plus. It doesn't mean that if you don't see the trend of the market that you might lose. All right, even if you see the trend of the market at the end of the day, truth is you still might not get it right at the end of the day. But 90 to 95% of the times this strategy works. So if you sit your ass down, out of 10 trades that you take, I'm sure that you're going to win 8 or at least 7, guys. You know what that means? You make a lot of profits. All right, so make sure you engage. Make sure you tell me what it is you want to know, whatever you want me to talk about next. All right, so just drop a comment on the comment section. Like I said, also check the description of this video. You will see my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to be a part of our VIP group where we share premium signals every single day to premium members. You can also join the free Telegram group and be a part of over 1,000 traders who are taking free knowledge, who are having free signals and all of that. And you can also be a part. Oh my God, I can't even wait to kick off the mentorship batch that we are on right now. I can't wait to meet with my students again. I've missed them over the holidays, and when I was really down, I couldn't really do stuff with them. But we are ready to kick off. All right, so just make sure you join. Make sure you join us. Make sure you're a part of that. You need to learn every single day. All right, so just make sure you join us. It's still very affordable. All right, until we activate the prices on our website. All right, we are still maintaining the current special discount. So just make sure you are part of it. Make sure you take advantage of the special discount because it is going to help you. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video.